In this episode, you will learn UK treble crochet or US double crochet. Second, how to correct your work. And third, how to tie off. Welcome back to the third episode of the Absolute Beginners series. Today, we are going to learn how to treble crochet, which is a UK term. In the US, this is known as double crochet. We are going to begin by doing a slip knot and doing a foundation chain. I will demonstrate this to you today, but if you want a more in-depth demonstration with more detail, please go to the first video in this series. So you want to wrap your yarn around your finger and then yarn your hook, twist it and yarn over and pull it through. Yarn over and pull it through. And pull tight on your knot. For the treble or double crochet, we are going to start off by chaining 12. So you are going to yarn over and pull it through. Yarn over and pull through the loops that on the hook. Remember that this is the 2 chains. If you want to move in-depth explanation of this, go to video 1 of this series. Remember to move your finger up as you are working. So we are going to make 12 foundation chains. So I am done with the 12 foundation chains. Now we are going to make treble or double crochet. So we are going to work into the 3rd chain from the hook, not counting the one that's on the hook. We have our first one here, second, and this is our third. We are going to insert our hook into the 3rd chain of the hook, yarn over, pull it through. You will have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, you will have 2 loops on the hook. Again, yarn over and pull through both loops on the hook. We'll do it again. Insert your hook into the very next chain. Yarn over, 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through first 2 loops on the hook. You will be left with 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through both the loops from the hook. Now we are having with 2 double or treble crochet. We are going to do this all over the chain. We'll do it again and again until we reach to the end of the row. Please feel free to pause the video whenever you need in order to catch up. So we have to do this until you reach to the end of the rows. Then I'll show you the row 2, how to start row 2. So now I have done row 1. Let's begin with the row 2. Chain 2, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through, turn your work, insert your hook into the next chain, not the base chain. You don't have to insert your hook into the base chain. You have to insert your hook to the next chain from the hook, yarn over. You'll have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over. Now you'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull it through. Again, insert your hook into the next chain from the hook. You'll have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull it through. Continue all the way around. I'm going to build the rest of this row and show you how to do your stitch into the last stitch of the row, because this can be look a little bit different. So you have to work till you reach to the end of this row 2. So start doing your double or treble crochet. Feel free to pause the video and meet me once you get to that point so that we can do it together. So now I'm at the end of this row. This first stitch that we did here was actually a chain 2. So you want to take a look at this stitch. This is where we are going to be working. You are going to yarn over, insert your hook into that chain 2. Yarn over, you'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull it through. This is our row 2. Row 3, or how many rows you want to do exactly the same. I have done 5 rows in total. So now it's time to tie off, yarn over and pull through your yarn and snip off with the scissor. You just created a knot in your work. Now you have to sew your ends. Simply take a hook, crochet hook, and weave this back and forth into your work. I've done by the help of the crochet hook because that is not going to come undone. So I've just weaved it, and take your yarn and snip off the rest of the yarn. Now we have to do with the same with the opposite side. So here is your yarn and weaved it. So here is your triple or double crochet. I will highly recommend you that you practice over and over again until you become comfortable with it. So now into the next video we will be doing crochet rectangular basket with t-shirt yarn. It's something new and something excited to do because the t-shirt yarn is something different from the rest of the yarns. So stay connected with me. I'll be there with you guys soon. Till then, take care. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.